Slow downloads, laggy games, buffering streams, we've all been there. But what if your phone, your car, even your city could think, react, and connect instantly? Welcome to Channel Name. And today we're breaking down the rapid rise of 5G and edge computing and how they're powering the next digital revolution. Hit subscribe so you're always first to know where tech is headed. China is rapidly becoming a global leader in artificial intelligence. The country is already home to bustling smart cities where AI regulates traffic flow and optimizes energy consumption. Facial recognition powered by AI is widely used for security and payment authentication. These advancements offer a glimpse into the future that China is building with AI at its core. Imagine walking into a shop in China. You can pay for groceries with just a glance at a facial recognition scanner. AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer service in Mandarin and other dialects. These technologies are not just concepts, they are part of the daily fabric of life in China. The speed and scale of China's AI adoption are remarkable. From education to healthcare, AI is being integrated into various sectors, transforming how people live, work, and interact. This revolution is driven by a powerful combination of government support, massive data resources, and a thriving entrepreneurial spirit. What excites you most about it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated with Channel Name, where we break down the future, one innovation at a time. China has declared its ambition to become the world leader in AI by 2030. This goal, known as the Next Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan, is backed by substantial investments from both the government and the private sector. Billions of dollars are being poured into research and development, fostering a dynamic AI ecosystem. Tech giants like Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu are investing heavily in AI research and applications. These companies are developing cutting-edge technologies in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous driving. The government is also playing a key role by establishing national AI labs and funding research projects across the country. This combined effort has created a fertile ground for AI startups to flourish. China is now home to some of the world's most valuable AI unicorns, privately held startups valued at over $1 billion. These companies are developing innovative solutions in various fields, from healthcare and finance to e-commerce and entertainment. The impact of AI is palpable across various aspects of Chinese society. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy and develop personalized treatment plans. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems provide personalized learning experiences to students across the country. One of the most significant transformations is happening in the manufacturing sector. China is rapidly adopting AI-powered smart factories, where robots and machines work alongside human workers to improve efficiency and productivity. These factories leverage AI algorithms to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and enhance product quality. The rise of smart factories is not only boosting China's economic output but also transforming the nature of work. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, human workers are being upskilled to manage and maintain these sophisticated systems, creating new job opportunities in the process. China's rapid AI development has sparked global competition and ignited debates about ethical implications. The country's access to vast datasets coupled with its less restrictive regulatory environment has raised concerns about data privacy and potential misuse of AI. As China continues its AI ascent, it faces the challenge of balancing innovation with responsibility. Addressing ethical concerns, ensuring data security, and fostering international collaboration will be crucial for China to gain global trust and shape the future of AI in a positive direction. The future of AI in China is full of possibilities. From autonomous vehicles and personalized medicine to smart cities and space exploration, AI is expected to play an increasingly central role in shaping the country's future. As China continues to invest in research and development, the world will be watching closely to witness the next wave of AI breakthroughs emerge from the East.